Hi, in this video, I'll discuss about the insert into statement. So into statement is used to add new data in a table. It's possible to write into a statement in two ways, such as, so here I'm just telling you how we can insert data into employee table. So I have this SQL server. Okay. So here I have to create a table and I will insert the data into table. So as of now, we don't have any data. So I'm taking data from training database. Okay. So this is the training database and here is the employee table. So let me check employee table. So this is the employee table and I will check the data from employee table, but you have to activate this database. So here I'm just writing use, then table name is employee. No. Here you need to use and write down the database. My database name is training. So you have to press F5. Now you can see here training database has been activated. Now you have to insert the data into employee table. So let me check how many data available in employee table. So this is the data. We have 44 rows. Okay, here is 44 rows. I want to add one more data which is related to HR department or IT department. So here I will have to write down the uh, data into all columns. So you have to follow the sequence to add the data. So as of now, I'm going to write here insert into table name. Table name is employee and you have to mention the values. After that, you have to mention the first column should be ID. So your ID column is worker. So because here I have mentioned the worker data. Okay, worker means string data will be acceptable into this column. So here I'm taking A1000. Okay, this is the ID. Now I'm taking here John as a name and then you have to take department. So here I'm taking department as a IT and here you need to take basic salary. Basic salary should be 50,000. And why I'm taking here 50,000 without inverted comma? Because this is a number data type in basic salary. So you have to take here number in without single quote. And here you need to take TA should be 10,000 and DA should be 5,000 and HRA should be uh, 15,000. Okay. So this is the salary and total salary should be uh, 80,000. So here I'm taking 80,000 bracket close and then you can run it. Press F5. Now you can see here why I'm getting three message because here I have created a trigger. That's why I'm getting here three message. So as of now, you can view your data. So data I have inserted for John. So you have to check this data. So you need to write here select star from employee, run it. See here. Let me check. This is the John's data which I have inserted. Now I will let you know how we can insert the multiple data together. So if you want to insert multiple data together, then you will have to write here insert into table name employee, and then you have to write here values, bracket start. I'm taking here single quote and A 2000 I'm taking, and then you have to take here Kyle, and here you need to take department should be management. Okay, then you have to take here 60,000 and here you need to take 2,000 and here you need to take 20,000 and here you need to take 3,000 as a HRA. Okay, and comma total salary should be uh, 85,000. So here I'm taking total salary should be 85,000. Now you have to mention here column and you have to insert second data. So here I'm taking bracket start and you have to start to take second data. So here I'm taking A3000, and here you need to take here single quote. Then you have to mention here Sonia, and here you need to take department should be sales and comma. Then you have to mention here salary. Here you need to take 45,000. 5,000 should be TA. 10,000 should be DA, and 20,000 should be HRA. And then you have to mention the salary. So here 45, 25, 10, 80,000. So here you need to take 80,000 as a total salary. Bracket start. If you want to take another data, so you have to mention here column and you have to put down the another data. So here I'm taking A 400, 4,000 single quote. You have to take here name Amisha, and here I'm taking department should be HR, and here I will take uh, salary should be 20,000 comma 5,000 comma 15,000 comma 30,000. Then you have to take here 70,000. So this is the total salary, and then you have to take here select all four lines, then press F5. So see here, I have received data into table. So here I will let you know why I'm getting three messages. So make sure you have to write down the query to add multiple data. Now I'll let you know how we can insert data on a specific column. If you want to insert data on a specific column, suppose I want to insert data into name, department, and salary. Only three columns data you have to insert: name, department, and total salary. How we can do it? So you need to write here insert into table name employee. Then you have to mention the column name. If you want to enter data into a specific column, you have to mention the column name. So column name is name, first column name, and you have to take second column department, and third column should be total salary. So you have to write here total salary bracket close. Now you have to write here values bracket start. You have to take here uh, Nitisha, Natasha, and here I'm taking department should be management, and total salary should be 70,000. Okay, so this is the total salary I'm taking here 75,000. Okay, bracket close, and you have to run it. Okay, so the data is inserted into your table. If you want to enter multiple data, then you have to mention your column and you have to put down another data. Okay, so this is a way to insert the data. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much.